world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page. For the longest time, I would always wake up on the same chapter. Go to work, go home, go sleep. It was time for me to break out of that habit and to get out of my comfort zone. I wanted to feel alive, meet new people, explore, live in a different culture, just live life. So with my backpack and a plane ticket to Thailand, a new chapter began. So sir, what are we about to do right now?
Talk with kids.
Talk with kids for what reason?
They can learn a bit from us, just to interact with them and do some good stuff for them.
So
Yeah.
basically you're trying to say that we're heroes for the Thai community. Don't be shy.
Well, you could
shy.
be that way, yeah.
So think about it, okay? If I put what would, how do you make a sentence after that? It's actually not bad. One day, it will be your turn. You will leave your home, city, country, loved ones for a greater purpose. You will defy your fear of change. Hold your head high and do what you once thought was unthinkable. Walk away. It will be scary, but what I hope you'll find by leaving is that you find deeper connections, love, adventure, freedom, but more than anything, you find you.